If you're a teenager, you need to understand that less is more when it comes to skincare. You don't need to pack too many products in your skincare routine. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And do not forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So today's video is a requested video. In today's video, we'll be talking about affordable skincare routine for teenagers. So if you're a teenager, or you're a mother looking to buy affordable skincare products for your children from the age of 10 to 18 years, then you definitely need to keep on watching because I'm going to be showing you the most affordable and best skincare products for teenagers. Like all the products I'm going to be mentioning in this video are budget-friendly skincare products, so you don't have to break a bank to have a glowing skin as a teenager. All the products, they are very suitable for all skin types and complexion. So let's dive right into it. So the first skincare product you will need in your skincare routine as a teenager is a bathing sponge. So this is the first item you need to have in your skincare routine as a teenager, and I'll definitely recommend using this exfoliating hand gloves. Like this is so that the price of 300 naira, so you can easily afford to buy this. It's going to help cleanse off the dead oils on your skin. So using a bathing sponge in your skincare routine as a teenager is going to help get rid of all the dead oils on your skin. So this is going to gently exfoliate your skin. So using a bathing sponge in your skincare routine is very important. Like you cannot compare using a bathing sponge to using just your hand or soap to wash your skin. Your skin is not going to feel right. But whenever you use a bathing sponge to bathe, like you're going to have that instant soft feel on your skin. So a lot of people tend to use their bathing sponge from January to December. It's not supposed to be like that. Please, you should learn to change your bathing sponge every 3 to 4 weeks, latest 2 months of use, to avoid having bacteria growing on them. So the next skincare product you'll be needing as a teenager is a bathing soap. So as a teenager, you need a soap you can use to wash both your face and your body. So I would advise you go for gentle soaps or body wash. So some of the soaps that I love and recommend for teenagers is the Lux Rose and Vitamin E soap. Like this is one of the best and affordable soap to use as a teenager. It's sold at the price of 250 naira. Using this soap in your skincare routine is definitely going to soften your skin, moisturize your skin, and give you that glowing, healthy looking skin. So you can actually use this and glow your skin. Another soap that I love is the Dove Cream Beauty Bar soap. I think this particular soap is sold at the price of 450 naira at the moment, and is a very nice soap that can be used by all skin types and complexion. So this is definitely going to get the job done and glow your skin. I also love the palm olive soap, the Irish Spring soap. All those bar soaps are affordable and they are going to help glow your skin. So if you're one of those teenagers that have money to splurge, you can simply get the Pears Pure and Gentle bar soap. Like this particular soap goes at the price of 1000 naira, but it's super amazing on the skin, and you can use it both for your face and your body. Like all those soaps can be used to wash both your face and body. So if you're one of those teenagers that don't really enjoy using bar soaps, you can get the Sebamed liquid face and body shower gel. Like this is a very nice shower gel. I think it's sold at the price of 4000 naira. This is definitely going to help moisturize your skin, and is very suitable for people with sensitive skin. So if your skin is easily irritated, you can definitely get the soap and glow your skin. I also love the scent Ice Rose Water and Aloe Vera Body Wash. Like this particular one is sold at the price of 2500 naira. So you can actually get this or go for the Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash and glow your skin. So the next affordable skincare product you'll be needing in your skincare routine as a teenager is a body lotion. When it comes to picking a body lotion, I always advise you go for moisturizing body lotions because the essence of using a body lotion in your skincare routine is to prevent dry skin. Like, you need a body lotion that will be able to lock in all the moisture into your skin and hydrate your skin. So adding a moisturizing body lotion or cream in your skincare routine is going to make a major difference. It will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and supple. So when picking a body lotion for your skin, you need to understand your skin type. So some of the best and affordable body lotions I would recommend for teenagers is the Nivea Nourishing Buttermilk. This is sold at the price of 2,160 naira at Roban stores, and is a very nice moisturizing body lotion that is suitable for both fair, dark, chocolate, and caramel skin tone. Like, any complexion can use this body lotion. It's going to help maintain and glow your skin. And I actually love the fact it contains almond oil and milk. Like, it's going to nourish your skin and give you that soft, glowing looking skin. So another body lotion that I love is the Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Moisture Nourishing Body Lotion. In fact, any body lotion from Vaseline brand is a perfect choice for both teenagers and adults. Their body lotion is not only affordable, it's also very moisturizing and is going to give you that healthy glowing skin. And one good thing I actually love about the Vaseline body lotion is the fact that it's not going to darken your skin or lighten your skin. It's going to help maintain, soften, smoothen, and glow your skin. Like, it's going to give you that glowing effect on your skin. So if you're a dark skin, fair, chocolate, or caramel skin tone, you can actually use this to glow your skin. So the Vaseline body lotion actually comes in different sizes. I think the 400 ml is sold at the price of 1,500 naira or 2,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. While the bigger size is sold at the price of 3,000 naira. It's very affordable and it can actually last you for a long time. So I also love the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion. Although it's a bit pricey, but it's also a very nice body lotion for teenagers. Like, it's going to moisturize and glow your skin. I also love and will recommend the Dove body lotion. Like, how will I even recommend moisturizing body lotions without recommending Dove body lotion? Like, they have super amazing and affordable body lotions that will moisturize and suit your skin need. So all of these body lotions are affordable body lotions you can use as a teenager to have that beautiful, soft, smooth, glowing skin. Like, you're going to love the glow effect on your skin. So the next affordable skincare product for teenagers is sunscreen. So I will always recommend you go for a physical sunscreen over chemical sunscreen. The reason is that chemical sunscreen gets absorbed into your bloodstream, while physical sunscreen just sits on the surface of your skin. So when picking a sunscreen as a teenager, just go for mineral sunscreen with SPF 30 and above, and have both UVA and UVB protection. That way, you're going to be able to protect your skin from any form of sun damage or aging signs. So some of the best sunscreen for teenagers are CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen that contains SPF 30. Like, this is a very nice and affordable sunscreen. I think it's sold at the price of 7,000 naira. So this particular sunscreen is going to help protect your skin from any form of sun damages. If you cannot afford to get the CeraVe Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen, you can get the Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Sunscreen that comes in this stick form. Like, this is a very nice sunscreen. It's sold at the price of 5,000 naira. So you can actually use this and protect your skin. So another affordable sunscreen for teenagers is the Aveeno Kids sunscreen with SPF 50. I think this is sold at the price of 3,005 or 4,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. Like, this is also going to help shield or protect your skin from the sun. So if you're one of those teenagers that battle with pimples, acne, or breakouts on their face, you need to include a treatment product in your skincare routine. So if you want to treat or get rid of your pimples or breakouts as a teenager, you should use a product that contains salicylic acid. And the best way to do this is to use a face cleanser with salicylic acid. And one of the best cleansers with salicylic acid I would recommend is the CeraVe SA cleanser. Like, this is a very nice face cleanser that is going to help treat your acne. But since we are talking about affordable skincare routine for teenagers, you can actually get the tea tree foaming face wash and use for your face. Like, this particular tea tree foaming face wash is going to dry out your pimples and is sold at the price of 1,300 naira. So this is actually going to help get the job done. So you should learn to wash your face 2 times a day. Do not choose benzoyl peroxide as an acne treatment product for a teenager. Is going to actually irritate their skin. So with all of that out of the way, here are some simple tips you need to note or have at the back of your mind as a teenager. So when starting your skincare routine as a teenager, you need to start with products that you can afford and maintain. Do not go and start buying expensive skincare products. That a product is expensive does not mean it's effective. So you need to start out with the ones that you can actually afford. So another thing you need to note when it comes to skincare is consistency is key. So you need to be consistent and give your skincare products time to work. Like, don't buy skincare products today and expect it to work overnight. It doesn't work like that. You have to be consistent with them in order to see results. So when it comes to teenager skincare routine, you need to cleanse your skin, moisturize your skin, and use a sunscreen. At night, you should follow the same routine, but this time, do not choose a sunscreen. So yeah, that is it on affordable skincare routine for teenagers. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.